guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's see. Oh, right there.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christy. I make a bunch of random videos about random things. If you are a subscriber and you're coming back, thanks for subscribing. If you're new and would like to subscribe, that would be awesome. It really helps me out. You can subscribe below. On to today's video. My life feels cluttered. I look at my closet, my vanity, all of my belongings, and everything is just a cluttered disaster. My vanity right now looks like a bomb went off. My closet, half the stuff in there I don't even want to wear. So, today is part 1 of 2. We're going to declutter my life. And today we're starting with my vanity and decluttering my makeup / beauty collection. I feel like this is a long time coming. It has been a hot minute since I decluttered anything in my life. With that in mind, I feel like this is going to be hard because I have a tendency to want to keep things that I spent money on. Specifically when it comes to makeup, I don't know what it is. If I spent money on makeup, I don't want to throw anything away. Some of this stuff is old as hell, so it has to go. And I'm just, I don't know, I'll get more into my thoughts on my makeup process as we get into the video. We're keeping it real cash today. I'm wearing my night bus shirt from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, aka the happiest place on earth. And we are gonna get down and dirty and clean this vanity and go through my makeup collection. Before we really dive into the video, let me show you what my vanity currently looks like. No judgment, please. I refuse to accept hateful eyes in this vicinity. So this is the current state of affairs with my vanity. It looks positively atrocious. As you can see, this has become the dumping ground for anything that I get in the mail, any packages I get. This is obviously where I keep my makeup, jewelry, and it's just kind of a cluster of a bunch of different things, most of which I no longer use, which is a sad truth that we're going to discuss further. But things are dusty, things are dank. I just need to resolve this immediately. Oh my god. Okay, nobody judge me. Okay, quarantine has been a time. Like, I don't even want to open these drawers. That's hair stuff. Okay, we'll just stop with that. So let's go ahead and get this organized, shall we? So what I've done is pull almost everything off of my vanity, and I brought it down here to the floor so I can easily organize it. So I'm just going to start going through some categories and see what I can get rid of. I think I'm going to start with skincare because I have way more than I thought I was going to. I know right now any of my Dr. Jart skincare I'm going to keep because I love it. My sister got this for me. It's like a little sampler pack of their products and I really like them, so I'm definitely keeping these. The sampler pack included their color correcting treatment, which I really like, the serum, the moisturizer, and a calming mist, which I really love. I use this like every day. Other things I use every day are the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I use this every single day. I also use this Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer. I got this in my FabFitFun box and I use this every day. I also use this micellar water to remove my makeup, so obviously that's gonna stay. I got this aloe and tea tree toner in my FabFitFun box this month, and I also got this facial oil from Hydropeptide. Is that the brand? I'm not sure. I'm not going to get a FabFitFun box going forward because this is excessive and I don't need more things, but I'm going to keep both of these to try them. They also sent me a after sun spray, which I have not tried that yet, but I'll try that this weekend. So I do have some things that I know are expired as far as skincare goes. I got a bunch of skincare last summer when I was in Asia, and even though I didn't finish all of it, I feel like it is probably expired and it is time because I haven't been using it. What I am coming to learn about myself is that when it comes to skincare and makeup, I am very simple. I like what I like and I don't really branch out from that, and I don't want a huge routine, which means most of this stuff is probably gonna have to go. Okay, so these are 3 skincare items that I got while I was in Asia last summer. These are definitely expired and I haven't been using them, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to get rid of all 3. These 3 are all expired. I liked all 3 of these. This, I feel like, made me break out. My skin is very sensitive, so that's the other problem, is if I try new things, a lot of times it'll make me break out or it just dries out my skin. This did not agree with my skin. This is expired, this is expired, but I did really like this. This is a mask I got recently in a FabFitFun box, so I'm going to keep this one. I think I'm going to keep both of these eye creams. I kind of feel like eye cream failed me because over the winter my eczema got really bad around my eyes, and this used to be Old Faithful when it came to that, and it failed me majorly. But both of these are still good, so I think I'm going to try to start using these again. Though, I'm going to be honest, I don't know if I'm going to buy eye cream again after this because I kind of feel like it's a scam. Like, does eye cream actually do anything? Let us sister know, because I really don't know. And then I think I'm going to keep these oils. I have different skin oils here, different serums. I think I will keep all of these. I also have a blemish spot treatment, which I will keep. This is a oil that a friend made. And then I'm also going to keep my exfoliating peel from the Body Shop, and I'm gonna also keep this. I don't remember when I got this, but honestly, I feel like it was expensive, so I'm gonna see if it will be okay on my skin to use now. I'll see what happens. Probably shouldn't do science experiments on my skin, but YOLO, here we go. This is my meager collection of hair care products. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I have no interest in doing my hair. But I do have a few products. I think I'll be keeping all of them. They are this Alba Botanica leave-in conditioner, this Moroccan oil, which I've been loving for my hair, this heavy duty dry shampoo, this texture spray, which I absolutely love from Bumble and Bumble, and this little baby travel dry shampoo. So I guess we'll move on to the makeup, which is the hardest part. Makeup is like, it's so sad. Okay, we just gotta do it. We gotta just get it done. So I'm just going to start with these palettes that I have. I got this little Naked palette, and I've been using this every single day. It's a face palette. It has a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. It is literally the prettiest thing ever. The bronzer is a little bit dark for me, but that's okay. It's summer. I also like that it has a little mirror on the side here, and I have been using it every single day to the point where I'm not sure if this next palette needs to exist. Again, this is a little Urban Decay palette, which has left my ColourPop palette that I created myself a little bit sad. But I love it! But I haven't used it in so long. Also, look at how dirty it is. White was not a good call for a makeup palette color. It's so pretty. I have a bronzer, a highlighter, and different colored blushes. I haven't used this in so long, but I feel like I need to revisit it and keep it. This is how you end up keeping everything when you declutter. I have this really pretty eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics that I got recently, so that guy definitely needs to stay. It's really pretty. Oh, I dropped it. We good? So I have two, count them, two eyeshadow palettes from ColourPop that are both purple themed. Why I needed them both? Not sure. Couldn't tell you. I'll compare them side by side so you can see what they look like. Well, okay, to be fair, one is very purple and one is very neutral. I mean, this one is like stunning. I have to keep this one. It's so purpley. But also this one's really pretty. Let's see how this one compares to the BH Cosmetics one. Fairly similar. They're actually very similar. Oh, I'm gonna keep all of them. Oh my god, why is decluttering so hard? I'm so bad at it. Oh god. Please forgive how dusty this is, but let's go through this section here and just kick a lot of this to the curb. So, this guy, never using it, throwing it away. We're gonna be brutal now. This guy, never using it, throwing it away. Boom! What's this? I think it's a highlighter. Ooh, it's really pretty. But honestly, we don't need it. Getting rid of it. This little guy, I actually really like the color of this eyeshadow, so we're gonna keep this. Mascara, love this one, keeping it. This Glossier Lid Star eyeshadow, keeping it. This is my eyebrow gel from ColourPop. It's in the color light brown. If anybody has recommendations for a good eyebrow gel, let me know. I'm probably gonna have to get more soon, and I don't know if I wanna order this one again or try something new, so let me know. I love that color. I also love this, even though it is messy, I really love the color of it. This, I think, is dried out, so we're kicking it to the curb. We don't need mascara, we already have one. I am definitely keeping my Glossier Cloud Paint. I am definitely keeping this Stila glitter deal because it's beautiful. And I'm definitely keeping my Fenty blushes. This is a lash conditioner thing. I'm gonna keep that. I need to actually use it. This is for my hair. I'm gonna keep both of those. Obviously keeping this, as well as this. I love this foundation, this ColourPop foundation, but it is a little bit light for me right now, so I will keep it to try again in the winter. I'm gonna keep this concealer. I'm gonna keep my NARS tinted moisturizer as well as my tinted sunscreen. That's a lot of nonsense, and honestly, well, I feel like a lot of these eyeliners can go, so I'm gonna go through those really quick. I almost forgot about this bronzer, which I love. I'm definitely keeping this. I do have this face powder, which I am for sure throwing away. I also have, in this little guy, oh my god, everything is so dusty. I also have all of these little ColourPop eyeshadows in here, and I feel like they're so old that I probably should get rid of them. It's so sad because I love them so much, but I end up not wearing them. Oh my god, I'm keeping that one. Oh, I'm so keeping that one. Okay, I'm gonna go through these and decide which ones I'm gonna keep, and then keep organizing my other makeup set over here. I feel like weirdly I have not been wearing lipstick at all lately. I don't know what it is. My makeup routine has gotten so simple that I feel like I'm just reaching for the same lipsticks over and over again, which is not great when you have a huge collection of them. So I guess I'm just gonna go through and try to get rid of some of them. Like, I know right off the bat, like, oh, these Milani lip glosses, I can't get rid of these. I love these. How pretty are those? Another one that I definitely want to keep is this red lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. I absolutely love this color. It's the color Mary Jo K. I also really love these NARS. I think that they're like a matte gloss, which sounds really weird, but they're so pretty on. Aquarius gloss from ColourPop. Another one of my all-time faves. I have to keep that. Oh my gosh. The tinted lip crayons from ColourPop. I love these too. This is the color Z-Boys and City of Stars. Definitely keeping those. Okay, I'm feeling pretty proud. I got rid of a decent amount. I mean, most of these are very old or ones that I just haven't worn. Like this MAC one is just really old, like years old, and it's just time. It's time. So I got rid of a decent amount. This is my reorganized top lipstick holder. So these all fit nicely in here. I put my lip crayons here, my lip pencils here, all of my lipsticks here. This little guy got reorganized really nicely. So I have my neutral / pink matte lip colors here on the top row. The second one, I have my pink, reds, and dark colors for matte lip colors. And then bottom row is all glosses. I actually had an idea while I was doing this that it would be really fun to do a challenge to wear a different color lipstick every day. I could definitely start by doing all my summer colors right now, and then as we go into fall, I could do all my fall colors. If you guys like that idea, please comment below and let me know. I think I'm gonna do it because it would be a good way for me to wear all of them and see if I actually like all of them. Because it's hard to do it right now while I'm just staring at the colors and kind of putting them on my hand. But then maybe if I do that, I'll actually know which ones I want to keep and I can get rid of them kind of as I go through that process. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of how many I got rid of. I'm very attached to my lipsticks, but this is kind of making me feel revitalized in my love for lipstick. I hope that this kind of inspires me to actually put on the makeup that I have instead of doing the bare minimum. Hashtag quarantine, hashtag 2020 is the worst.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. No, I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part.
I'm gonna be really honest, you guys. I am so excited about how this turned out. It might not have looked like I got rid of a lot of makeup, but I actually did. I got rid of a decent amount of makeup, decent amount of skincare. I'm actually feeling really good about it. I feel lighter already. Just looking at it, it's not a cluttered mess, just makes me feel so much better. I mean, I didn't touch the drawers, but that's for a different day. I might have shoved some stuff inside the drawers just to like finish this process up sooner, because now it's getting a little late in the day. Really good at this, as you can tell. Anyway, thanks for joining me in decluttering my makeup, you guys. If you're interested in more makeup videos, let me know. I think I'm gonna do a couple coming up here because I love makeup. So I'm really excited to potentially do this lipstick one. I have a couple other makeup videos planned, and I'm also going to be decluttering my closet. Let me tell you, it's a really good feeling to get rid of stuff you don't need. Am I a minimalist now? Just kidding. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below. I'll see you guys next time.